Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I have my face done. You already know once the makeup is on, we're doing a very easy and just like to the point wig, which I love because y'all know I don't like the extra work. If I gotta do it, I'll do it, but if I don't have to, baby, give me the ease. So today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi hair. If you're familiar with my channel, you know we collab with them all the time. So yeah, I'm super excited. Today's wig is a very easy one. It's like a beginner friendly wig. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already cut. It's a bob and just in time for summer. If you are a beginner, you don't know much about wigs, then definitely tune into this video. You're gonna want to see it. And then the wig is at such an affordable price. I love that for us. But let me grab the box so I can show you what's inside, and then let's get to installing, which we don't have to, you know, do anything crazy. No glue necessary, and I'm here for it. It's summer as well. It's almost summer, but I live in Florida, girl. It's almost always summer, okay? It's hot. I just want to have my hair quickly on my head, and then once I'm inside, it needs to get off my head, okay? So let's get into it. Our wig box. I already opened it, guys. I took the wig cap out. They do give you free wig caps. I took the wig caps out because I needed a wig cap, okay? Got some free gifts. These are some clips, which you always need clips. You have a headband, which comes in pretty handy. I love when I get these gifts because I use all of them. And then there is a bag with like lashes and a few other extra gifts which you can use. And this is Wear a wig. It's a 12-inch bob, okay? And I think it's a closure. Yes, it is a closure. And this wig, according to Klaiyi, should take 3 seconds to be on your head. 3 seconds? Okay, once I put like some makeup, it says 3 seconds. So let's see. It is a glueless cap construction. Look at that. The lace really is cut off already. Wow. Okay. That is so cool. That is so cool. It's already plugged. Wow. And the portion of the lace is very like wide. So this will look really nice. You have your clips and you have adjustable straps, and these are like a newer construction cap. It does not come with any extra clips in there. Well, oh, this one does. It has a hook in the back, but it also has this that, you know, adheres to your head. So I love that. The bob feels nice and flowy. Y'all see the girl? Hello. It's nice and flowy, so I'm super excited. But let me just grab some foundation and put on the lace itself, and then we're gonna be back. Y'all, my wig cap was showing, so I pushed it all the way back. I might have to take the wig cap off because this lace is so thin, okay? Like, this lace is so thin. I might have to take the wig cap off because it's showing. Wow, it slid off my head. Ah, I forgot I have a relaxer. You know what? We're gonna wear it without the wig cap. Ooh. Okay, wait, y'all see this? Okay, hold on, because I have to be bending down for this mirror. But okay, this looks good. I think though I'm gonna straighten it on my head and then put a little bit of spray. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I am gonna spray it down. Like, I love how thin the lace is, you see that? But I am going to spray it down just a little bit because, you know, it's like sticking up right there. So I'll just use my spray and that'll be it. Like, this is a very easy wig and it can be worn glueless. I just think because I don't have any hair on my head, as y'all can see, so I feel like that made the wig like have a lot of room. But yeah, I'm gonna spray it down with my Ebin and we're good to go. It's giving me a 90s vibe. Okay guys, so I did spray it down as y'all saw with the Ebin. I did do like one little layer. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick to tame the hair, and I feel like my center part is not very center. So we're gonna see if I can get the center part a little bit. Is it centered? It looks centered, kind of, sort of. I'm not very good at doing center part, y'all. I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the finished result, which I love. It's so like sleek and simplistic, and it just looks really good. This is a longer bob. I think this is a 12-inch, but I love it. I love how natural the parting look, like the hair itself on the lace looks super natural. It comes like that. It looks really, really good, and I didn't do anything special. I didn't cut anything. I didn't tweeze anything. As y'all saw, all I did was just spray a little bit of the ebon spray just so it could lay a little flat, like a little more flat. So yeah, and this is the results, and I love it. It looks like a fresh relaxer. It looks so sleek and sophisticated. If y'all like this hair, then definitely check the description box below. Big thank you to Klaiyi here for sponsoring this video. I really like this wig, and it's a very affordable wig, so it's definitely something you would want to have, like a good everyday throw on and go type of wig. You already know bobs are always just like very polished, just like sophisticated looking. So this is giving. This is it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah guys, I told you it was straight and to the point, and that's what we did. I love me a simple wig, okay? So that's what we have here. Let me know your thoughts down below. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.